Hi everybody, it's Somewhat Girly here with another unboxing for IPSY. This time it's January of 2023. It's in a small bag that's open because it was in a larger package because I used my points. Just a reminder that I am visually impaired, so I'm using reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see what in the world I am looking at. I don't have any spoilers for this because I didn't look. Oh, it's fuzzy. It's very fuzzy. Look at that. An IPSY bag without this. I guess they decided that when they sent it, they didn't need to seal it. Ooh, look at this. It's all. It looks like a Muppet, doesn't it? Same on both sides. It is purpley, lilac-y, lavendery. Our zipper pull right there is upside down, which, of course, there you go. And lime green around the edge. I'm telling you, this looks like a Muppet. All right, do we have a card in here? We don't have a card in here. Okay, I guess I don't get a card. There's no card. I'm sure I can look at... I can't. I'm recording on my phone. Well then, let's just dive into it. All right, let's see here. We got something in bubble wrap. We're going to take that out, and then we're going to go like this. Because that's what we do here. Alright, this is an Orza. Probably an eyeshadow palette. And that wasn't close enough. There we go. There we go. Orza usually isn't that bad. Their eyeshadows tend to be really nice. We're gonna swatch that a little later. Okay, next item in the bag. I'm just gonna stay zoomed in. It's gonna be easier for me and you. All right, we got an It Cosmetics Hello result. I think I need a little bit more zooming. I'm sorry. What do you do? Who's your daddy? What is your wrinkle cream? Okay. Daily retinol. Where do you put it? It's a very shiny container. I'm very sorry about that. It's a serum cream. I guess it's nice. My profile says that I don't like getting skincare products, but I mean, if you're going to get it, you're going to get it. Alright, next item in here feels like a liner of some sort. And what is that? First of all, that's a car outside. What kind of font is that? Goofy goodness. Is it upside down or right side up? That looks like a B. Wow, I could be looking at it upside down. I don't know. Oh, it's one of those things where it's the same upside down and right side up. Rebel eyeliner pencil, probably in black, because you know that's the way they work. Ooh. It is. Whoop. Well, there we go. It smells like an eyeliner pencil. I don't know why I sniff things. I really don't. Put that back in there properly. Because if we don't, I hope editing me can figure out what that word is. Either that or I would have looked at my list by the time that I do this. Oh, it's a hand with a heart in it. Okay. Next item is another box. What are you? From Plum. We've had them before. Color Affair. Be good. Be good. Is this a nail polish? Well, let's see. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Yes. Ooh. Look at the sparkles in that. That is a pretty color. Look how little this is. Hold on, let me go back out. I like that it's like little like this because like you get a good amount that you can use, but at the same time you could go on their website and get a bigger one. But I mean, I wish I had super awesome lighting. So that way. But like look at the sparkles. Okay. Put that off to the side, that box off to the side. Last item in the bag. Oh, did we get a NARS product? Oh, even the box feels matte. I don't know if you ever felt a NARS product, but their packaging is always matte feeling. Excuse my hiccup. What do we got here? I'm not close enough. Hold on. It's a lip pencil. I gotta move it out. Did I pick this? I might have picked this. I might have picked this. What does that say? Probably like, you know. Dolce Vita? Yeah. Alright. Open sesame. Open sesame seed? Oh, you're not going to open. Hey kids, always remember, if you can't open the top, open the bottom. It's usually openable. Ooh. Chonky. Oh, look at that color. I don't think I have this color. Let's zoom in a bit more. Alrighty then. It is a nice creamy pencil, I'll tell you that. It is not as dark as it looks, obviously. The crayon itself looks way darker. It looks like a nice soft color that would definitely be a wearable color during the day. Interesting. Let's look at well, that eye pencil, they don't come off. All right, let's sneak in. I should have opened this one last so that we could do this last, but let's sneak this in. We're going to get a little closer so that way I can swatch the color because that's what we're going to do. Okay, we are going to start with the lightest color on the pinky, of course. All right. That is a nice shiny wash right there. Could be a brow bone color. Next color, chunky feeling. The first one was very smooth. These are usually very smooth. Or that is pretty good, in my opinion. All right. It looks like these are going to be some nice champagne-y colors. These would have been great to get before the New Year's, because then you could have had yourself a nice New Year's look. It's a good transition color. And our last one here, which looks super chunky. It feels super chunky. Ooh! Oh, she's shiny. She's shiny. Well, what do you think? Those are some nice colors there. And I got out a makeup wipe in preparation to clean my hand because I want to see how much it takes to get that off. Oh boy, we got another one, folks. We got another one that won't come off. Now, the lipstick, yeah, because it was just cream. And I'm going to bet that these come off super easy. Yep, they do. But why did I put it in between my knuckles? Okay, we're getting some progress here. All right, that looks good, right? Not like I'm not going to film another video soon. So what'd you guys think? These are some pretty nice things to get for the start of the year. I mean, we've got ourselves a black eyeliner that's really good. We got a lip crayon, some nice shades that are very wearable, especially with the lip color. I got a little retinol cream. I'm not really sure where that's supposed to go because it says wrinkles. I'm not sure if it's supposed to go like in specific places or just all over your face. And we got the nail polish, which is really pretty. One of these videos, I'm actually going to wear nail polish. So that way I can try to hide the fact that winter is destroying my skin. What do we think about this little Muppet bag? This is cute. If you don't know what a Muppets are, Disney Plus has the Muppet Show and you really should watch it. All right. So thank you for coming along to see this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.